After the war in 1970, since it be so, not get sense for this country, bank savings wiped. Number one, listen, regardless of how much money an Igbo person had before the war, banks paid a flat 20 naira, not be 200, not be 2,000, not be 20,000, not be 200,000 naira. A flat rate of 20 naira to everybody, whether you be billionaire. 20 naira is what was given to the Igbos. Number one, that's number one. Yes, just painful. Then number two, abandoned property losses. Homes and businesses owned by Igbos outside the southeast, especially in Port Harcourt and Lagos, were declared abandoned and reassigned to others. The property when we say Igbo people built, they reassigned it to others. They declared it abandoned. Say, oh, this property is abandoned, and they dash other people. You hear how painful that is. Number two. Number three, loss of job and rank. Igbo civil servants, soldiers, and professionals lost their positions of seniority and had to restart careers. The Igbo people where they see today, they lost all their rank in their government office. They before they grade 16, you go back to grade 0. Go and verify. That's number three. Number four, destroyed homeland. Of course, I don't need to explain that one to you. You know, 3 years of bad boats, everything leveled to the ground. Number five, limited state support. There was no reconciliation, no rehabilitation, no reconstruction. They were just abandoned. Now, what happened next? Instead of the Igbo people to be wailing, instead of them to be crying, instead of them to be mourning till now, this was what they did. They rebuilt through trades, apprenticeship systems, and entrepreneurship. They rebuilt from nothing, from 20 naira. They rebuilt. Two, they re-established commercial hubs like Onisha and Aba. They say, no, we are business people. This cannot be our end. They re-established themselves. Number three, they gradually gained economic influence without state-backed restitution. Without the support of governments, they came together and they rebuilt. And you now say, an Igbo man is desperate for money? Are you out of your mind? This is a culture that they have been marginalized from the beginning. And they don't even know their place in this country as of right now. In fact, they have made it clear to them over the years that there is no hope for them to ever rule again. And you don't